So hi guys, and welcome to this video, and today I will be showing you guys everything I bought. So first I got this weird Rickety fidget toy. I really like it because it's just fun. I got this pop-up balloon dog. That's pretty fun. You can just pop it up, open. You guys backing each other. It's like a fidget toy rainbow. You can squeeze it and make it go all turns. So that's really fun. Got this. You guys might know this because it's a pretty cool thing. It can make pretty good things, so it's a fun toy. Okay, so next, this weird fidget spinner. I like it. Next, infinity cube, rainbow infinity cube that you can turn infinity. And next, this Rubik's cube. Key hanger that you can hang and use to store all of your keys. So that's pretty fun. And last, I got this big boy beast squeezer. Like and subscribe if you liked all the toys that I showed you in this video. Bye!